What up, guys? Welcome back to Bentley Gilpin. Today, we are going to pick up a duck. These ducks are very nice, so, yeah.
These are my ducks that we're going to go pick up.
Yes, these are Aubrey's ducks, my cousins. Also, I would like you to like and subscribe, right?
Yeah.
Because at 100 subscribers, I will reveal my face. I have a couple now. Here are baby chicks. Here are the baby chicks. The baby
And
chicks.
this is technically kind of like a farm because I have 20 pets I need to take care of every day and every night. So, yeah.
Baby chicks. Adorable. These are called, what are they called?
I think hopper chicks
Hopper chicks.
because they hop a lot.
Okay, I know this video is how to catch a duck.
But we're just telling you what type of your chickens are and what type of your ducks.
These are just ducks.
This is a male and a female.
We're catching the male. No, he's all
I'll
wet.
flip for you while you catch it.
Okay.
I'm going to show your face.
These guys are very hard to catch. This is how you catch one. This is how you catch. This is
a duck. This is the male duck, and
a female.
the female is way too scared because it doesn't want to leave its male technically. And I'm not going to show my face, but these are tan chickens. These are ladies. So
This is the female.
that's the female.
And let's go put him back. And give me that.
That's it. How to catch a duck.
Yeah. A lot of animals. We're going to show you a tour. Also, I will do, when I do show my face, I'm going to do a lot more videos.
And these are cousins, not mates.
And here is Aubrey's face. Haha. Did you guys see it? Well, let's see.
Like and subscribe if you saw it.
Well, like and subscribe if you see this. Did you see her face? Well, we don't know. Here's the trampoline. Here's the house. Here's the chickens. Let's go to Donna dance. Oh, really? Probably saw your face.
You probably did.
Okay. I'll do an age reveal at 20 subscribers. At 50, I'll do my cousins. I'm jumping up here with my shoes.
It's fine to jump with your shoes.
Ooh. Also, my cousin Aubrey, she could jump super high. Let's see if you can do it. If you can find Aubrey's face before the 500 subscribers to her face review. Ready, guys? Ready, set. Did you guys see it?
Hey, if you actually want to see my face, look up Facebook and look up Jennifer.
Yeah, but actually don't do that. If you really want
to.
Yeah. Dog. That's a bear over there. That's a bear! That's a bear!
Dog!
Okay, never mind. You know, this video is actually kind of short. I'm not gonna let it be. This video is called Farm Animals. This video is called Farm Animals.
Belly, when you view the age, you should say, I don't know if people's faces, you should say family reveal check.
Also, at 50 subscribers, I will be revealing my little cousin's face. And there's going to be a lot of face reveals.
Wait, who are you talking to? You talking?
Okay. This is called running across this trampoline. I'll tell you some stuff about farm animals if you didn't know. Giraffes, they have super long necks. They have 2 long necks. I call one of my aunts a giraffe.
Because she's our auntie.
Here's a dog. Whatever you do with a dog, don't go approach it and smack it in the face. Because if you do, the dog will hate you forever. Also, the baby chicks. If you don't want to see them, well, you see them now. Okay, do you want me to hold one? This is the baby chick.
I'll be inside relaxing.
This is all of them. And look, this is me touching. See, this is one of them. This is one.
That way, Jen.
Yeah. Ow! My knee. What's up? We have there's a huge, this area is basically a farmhouse.
Our house isn't a farmhouse, people.
It basically is.
This is a house.
We will film a video of a pool
And we will not film her face, but of my baby sister and my sister. If you hear them screaming like a little brat, just say they're a brat. Comment down below if you think my little sister Maddie is a brat.
I can see you.
There's a little show. Okay,
Dogs. Dogs. Everyone loves them, so you say
like
it.
and subscribe if you love dogs.
Oh, for the last time, I'm going to end the video, even though it is 8 minutes long. I will make another video today, so just peace.
Like and subscribe for if you like dogs and if you like your family.
For the last time, like and subscribe. Say goodbye.
Comment down below, please, if you love your family.
Say goodbye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.